Welcome to ABC tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the branches of the external carotid arteries. The external carotid artery is a major artery of the head and neck. It arises from the common carotid artery where it bifurcates into the external and internal carotid artery. This occurs at the upper border of the thyroid cartilage, which is typically at the level of the 4th or 5th cervical vertebra. The external carotid artery supplies oxygenated blood to the neck region and the external structures of the head and the face. Its branches can be remembered by using the mnemonic. Sister Lucy's powdered face often attracts medical students. This stands for the superior thyroid artery, the lingual artery, the posterior auricular artery, the facial artery, the occipital artery, the ascending pharyngeal artery, the maxillary artery, and the superficial temporal artery.